Hi, I'm Emily Swartz and I'm at the Dorado Royale Resorts and I'm here with Stefan Sperling. Stefan,
Yes.
where are you from?
I'm from Mexico. Oh, joke. I'm German.
What brings you to be a chef here in Mexico or in El Dorado?
First I went for vacation to Mexico and then a guy offered me a job for a chef, so I'm here and cooking.
Thanks, and tell me about the concept of this restaurant d'Italia.
This restaurant, this is our Italian Casitas restaurant. It's in the Casitas area of the resort. It's a newest restaurant and in here we have 25 tables, and the special thing in here is the chef's table. The chef's table is we offer our clients a gourmet menu over 7-8 courses, and I explain every course and have some small talk with the clients.
So today,
Yep.
what is it that you're going to be preparing for me?
Today,
I'm excited.
Today I want to prepare lobster for you, a Caribbean lobster. So it's actually a rock lobster with some vegetables from our greenhouse, some herbs, and the black risotto.
So do you grow your own vegetables and herbs here?
Yes, we have here a greenhouse and we make the tomatoes, tomato cherries, bell peppers.
Thank you so much, Stefan, and I'm really looking forward to eating your rock lobster today. Thank you
Perfect.
very much.
You're really welcome. It was a pleasure to meet you. I will go in the kitchen and will prepare lobster for you.
Mwah. Thank
See
you
you
very
later.
much. Okay,
You're welcome.
bye. Yum. Really good. Delicious.